Hello everybody. This one today is more of a show, basically, to you guys. As you know, if you watch the channel a while, I don't know what this I'm doing today, but I thought I'd do it to show yous, because I know quite a lot of you like it. You've seen by the thumbnail. Mac and cheese, 3 different ones from Aldi, £1.79 each, and I thought I'd just show you, because I know quite a lot of you like it. So let's have a look at them. There we go, we've got all 3. That's the only 3 that do. Say new. I've never seen them before in ours. I don't know whether they are anywhere else. We've got a truffle flavour mac and cheese, the classic mac and cheese, and the pulled pork mac and cheese. I've never had any sort of truffle or truffle flavour before in my life. I wouldn't even know what it tastes like, because proper truffle is well expensive, ain't it? But anyway, £1.79. Let's have a look. Better put my reading glasses on. Now, do we cook when they're in the microwave, I suppose? Got an 800 watt, mine's 800 mine, that's 850 for minutes 25 seconds. Place on a microwavable, I can't read that. Place on a microwavable plate. Hold on guys, I'll have to read it up here. I do apologise. Place on a microwavable plate and pierce film lid several times. Cook on full power for the time specified. Leave to stand for 1 minute after cooking. Stir gently and enjoy. There you go, that's the truffle one. I'd like to show you the ingredients. You want to have a look? Truffle flavour sauce, look. Truffle flavour sauce. And there's all that. Let's have a quick look at this one then. Well, you can't really see lots at the minute, can you? But that's it there. As I say, I know quite a few lot make them or buy them, so I don't buy mac and cheese. So you'd have to let me know whether you think these are going to be worth the money. This is a classic one. There's the nutrition and the ingredients. They are 300 gram each, that's what it says there. And I say, we're not going to see a lot, are we, at the minute? We're not going to see a lot. And the pulled pork. There you go. Yeah, I suppose they all cook exactly the same time, don't they? I'll just adjust mine a little bit because mine's an 800 watt. So I'll just make sure the stuff's piping hot. So they all look the same. You ain't going to tell at all, are we, till we cook them. Right, I'm going to get them all in the microwave. I'll cook them all up. And I'll bring you back in a second. Okay, guys, this is the truffle one. There it is there. That one's been in. I've got the... Which one have I got in next? The classic one's going in. So I thought, well, instead of them going cold, what I'm doing, I can open them up, give them a stir, and we can have a look, can't we, and have a little taste while the other ones are doing. That's it there, look. What do you think? Think it looks nice at the minute? Right, let's have a little taste of that. Oh, I've just put it in for another minute. There was 1 or 2, just as I was stirring. It was a little bit hard still. So it's gone in for 1 more minute, so we'll get a minute, and then it should be fine then. So that's had 5 minutes. So mine's an 800 watt, so... where's the thing for it? What did it say? Yeah, 750 watts, 5 minutes. So I've put it in for 5, so it's gone in for 5. So I've been nearly done now. Yeah, that's better. I put the other one back in. I'll put them all on for 5 then instead. That's better. It's boiling a bit more now. Look, you can see it. That's a lot better. Let me give it a quick stir. Just wash my spoon. Oh, my spoon, my fork. Wash my fork. Boiling hot. Now, would you like to try some mac and cheese, Bab? Ah, that's hot. Let's get a plate. It's hot underneath. Let's have a go. Let's have a go. truffle flavour. Did I pop that? I think I popped it. Look, dropped the knife and everything. I haven't popped it. Just a second, guys. It's all gone over the microwave. Oh, I tell ya. we don't do these ready meals usually. I forgot to pop it. Never mind. Nothing goes right, does it? Anyway, there it is. The truffle one. That's laughing her head off. I presume that's the truffle sauce you can taste. And to be honest with you, if someone don't like mac and cheese, I'd probably eat that. That ain't bad at all, for what it is. So I think you like mac and cheese, you probably like, I mean, you've seen the cheese string there, didn't you, coming out when I was eating it. I don't think that's half bad for what it is. Right, on to the next one. Okay, on to the classic. I put the pulled pork in. I have poked it this time. Yeah. There's the pulled pork one, not the pulled pork one, the classic one. Let's give it a stir, it's too hot. Have yourself a look at that one. There it is. Right, let's have a little taste of that one. Oh, right then, let's have a bit then, let's have a bit. You're not going to be able to see it. Won't be able to. The classic mac and cheese. Ugh. People will be saying, why are you having that then if you don't like it? Because this one's like for you guys really, you know. Try again, bit more. See the cheese, look. Yeah, it's mac and cheese, which I don't like. I prefer the truffle one so far, because it takes away that bit of that cheesy, that overpowered cheesy thing that from the mac that you get with the mac and cheese. But yeah, there's that one. Right, on to the next. And there is the pulled pork one. Ugh. I'm just thinking that that mac and cheese, that normal one, is very sickly. It's made me feel a bit sickly after. Well, the truffle one didn't, but the normal one did. There's that one. Get out a mix. The pulled pork one. Pulled pork flavour. There it is at the bottom there. There's not a lot, look. So we'll mix it up and get some in there. There. There's that one there. Right, let's have a taste of that. Yeah, I was just reading this again. It says in it, it's a flavoured pulled pork sauce. That's what it is. Put it on a plate. There it is. You can't see it. Let's get a bit. There's the gooiness. Look, you can see the gooiness in there. Look, can't you? It's got a good little bit of gooiness, hasn't it? Look. And there's some of that pulled pork flavouring from the bottom. Yeah, you can taste. It's only at the bottom though. A good stir. You can taste the pulled pork, the barbecue pulled pork's flat sauce in there. But I don't think it goes with mac and cheese. It might do, you might like it. But that's not for me. I wouldn't eat that one again. I wouldn't eat the pulled pork one again. I mean, I don't like mac and cheese anyway, as I keep saying. I wouldn't eat the classic, definitely wouldn't eat that, because that's made me feel a bit groggy. And I would eat, for someone who don't like it, I would eat the truffle. I wouldn't say I'd eat it, but I would, if you get what I mean. For someone who don't like it, that's my favourite. Put it that way, that's what we'll say. That's my favourite out of the three, for someone who doesn't like it. And I could eat that one. But the other two I couldn't. But there we go. Just a quick review, because there's a new chippy opened in Lichfield, new chip shop. And I've had a few people from Lichfield ask me if I'd go and review it. So I'm going to go and review that later. But by the time I've been down there, because it's the other side of town, and get back and we have it, I'm not going to be able to upload it in time. So that's going to go up tomorrow, if you get what I mean. And I'm also going live tomorrow. And I'm going live Thursday as well. Last day of takeaway. Yeah, so tomorrow's going to be live in the day, and then the chip shop video on the night, if you get what I mean. That's why I've done that. Anyway, as I say, I'm the old food guy. Let me know if you've had that before and what you think of it. As a non-mac and cheese lover, truffle for me, if I had to pick. Till next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.